Their fans spent tens of thousands to get a 2010 Mercedes E300, thinking they got a bargain. They thought they could just spend a few thousand to fix it up perfectly. Unexpectedly, the exterior had countless scratches, and inside, there was a moldy smell. Lifting the carpet, it was even breeding mosquitoes.
The condition of the engine is even more appalling, so it went from a simple fix to a major overhaul. The professionals are here. Let's get started.
Time is tight, and the task is heavy. The alignment team and the sheet metal team are working simultaneously, a multi-unit operation.
The entire car seat bottom is dry film. Carefully spray paint the entire car. The effect of silver mist paint. Accumulated repairs relieved, the whole car disassembled. Great joy of accumulated soul. Ultrasonic cleaning. Awkward and angry. After solving all problems, start reassembling the engine. The car in front promptly washed the car and reinstalled the repaired interior.
The main feature begins. Let's see the results directly. Are you satisfied with the 15 days of preparation?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.